you ever ordered a nightstand and it shows up and it's just a fraction of the size you thought it was, or maybe the quality is just not there, very common problem. I am an interior designer, Mollie with Design Loves Detail, and I have dedicated my last like 10 years to finding the best home furniture and decor deals for my followers. And basically, I kept hearing the same kind of stuff, that especially nightstands, the scale was always such a challenge. You have companies like Target, Walmart, wherever, they're trying to hit these price points. And so they'll take a cool nightstand and shrink it down. And so it's almost like kid size. So today I'm going to show you the latest drop for my new collection, Vineyard Home. This is the nightstand run. These first four that I'm going to share today are a unique blend of different styles and different wood finishes that should give a lot of variety for getting that quality and scale nightstand in your home. Here we go. So this one is the Harrington, and I love this. Really solid piece and beautiful finish on this. It's like a grayed down brown with a gorgeous washover, so it really like helps that wood grain stand out. Like I said, solid wood on all of these, dovetail construction on the drawers. Like, you can't even find this stuff anywhere these days. So that's why I'm super excited about this, because I just think the quality and the price point for what they are is hard to beat. So look at this. Slammed that sucker. Soft closed drawers. Love that feature. And just look how much storage you get with these bigger bottom drawers too. You can use this as like a small dresser and still have one on either side of the bed. I'm showing it with a king size bed here, so you can see that that scale just works really nicely with it. And I couldn't love it more. I'm gonna show you a couple other styles. We're jumping over to the other side of the bed so I can show you one that's in a similar finish, but a little bit different style. And while I'm thinking about it too, a little bit more, I would say a little bit simpler design. And this rounded edge was something that I really wanted to bring into this piece. I love it for multiple reasons. One, a curved edge is very hot and on point right now for what we're seeing in the marketplace, but also it's really good if you have kids. So it's like one less corner that your kids are gonna like, especially when they're toddlers, walk into, hit their head on, anything like that. So I love that smooth detail. And you can see it's repeated down here on the bottom as well. But we just have a really gorgeous finish here too, with that neutral, kind of like a European oak, that's that grayed down soft brown. Let me show you two more. In this room, we have a queen size bed for reference. And this is a nice saturated dark finish, because we are seeing a lot more of that trending in the marketplace as well. I love how this one has that open shelf on the bottom. So it's great for, you can have books or a basket down there, but still a lot of storage in the two upper drawers. So again, really versatile and flexible. And I love how this one kind of walks that line too between being gray or brown. It was really important for me to create finishes that were so neutral that they would blend with all different floor types, as well as different like bed and fabric and other wood tones you might have in the space. So that's why I kept them like as neutral as I could. And you'll see that with the next one too. Last one that I'm going to show you today, this one has a little bit more warmth to it, but it's still like super neutral. You can see it with my floors. It blends really well. Super versatile, and just a clean classic design with a tone on tone hardware that's in a brushed brass. So it's just that subtle little hint of classic design. And this I really like because it's kind of a medium tone finish where it can blend with if you have lighter woods in your home or the darker, it's just kind of a nice, it's almost got a little bit of like a chestnut warmth to it, but in an oak grain, which I really think is so beautiful. The wood grain on this, you can see in those close-ups, is just so stunning. So anyway, all of these pieces and more you can shop. Thank you guys for being here, and we'll see you later.